Freeman 1 for 7 in this series, has a couple of homers in 7 career at bats against Hefner, and he fouls back the first pitch fastball.
Well, Freeman, if you look at his stance, it's very peculiar. Holds his bat horror. Oh, there it happened again. This is the 3rd time this season.
He keeps shattering that glass, don't we?
Was it our voice or like Maria Callas? Anyway, back
does Freeman have to pay for that? I mean, coming at you.
Got it.
Don't try to expense it.
Depends who you send it to.
There you go.
That's a complete job right there.